Lois, can I do this? Can I just do this? Come on. Thought I'd done well this morning. I remembered to bring a stove this time, except I haven't got anything to put on it. So, again, cold coffee. Anyway, when things don't go to plan, it's always one or two things. Last minute, so I haven't prepared anything or haven't got much time. In this case, a bit of both. I was planning to wild camp last night over the other side of Pen y Fan by a little lake, but just ran out of time. I would have got there and set up in the dark, then just taken it down at sunrise, so there wasn't any point. So instead I've come down with Lola, as you may have spotted, just to dog walk for now really. It was going to be a sunrise shoot, but I of course got here late. So yeah, bit of a dog walk with cold coffee. Do it. I was just trying to get some slow B-roll of making the coffee there, but it really doesn't work when you've got a spaniel putting her head in the way. Considering it's only 5 degrees, this cold coffee is cold, really cold. Maybe the trick is to actually plan a trip, and then I might actually have the stuff. If you want cold coffee, I'm your man. I've got that sorted, really have. Now, if you're wondering what Lola's favourite national park is, which I'm sure you are, it's got to be Wrekin Beacons. It's the quietest one. If she can hear cars and see lots of people, she hates it. So she's not a big fan of Peak District or the lakes, but loves it here, almost to the point of being uncontrollable. Nice hair. I'm a bit jealous. I should probably bring her more often, though she will steal the show. Can you even see her? I can't tell. Ninja. Shall we get up there? Get for it? Should we make a move? Yeah, come on then. Come on. I can't sit here all day. Abuse. Hashtag me too. Gal are gonna bomb it up there, Pen y Fan, and then got to get out of here. It's a shame not to have done much camping, or any camping, but one of the reasons we've got to get back is we're going glamping tonight. So yeah, not got much time. Got to get back and sort out the kit for that, which is of course gin and tonic. There should be some camping next week, some actual proper camping. When we're going to Pembrokeshire. No mountains, bit of coast. Another video, hopefully. Don't hold me to that, because who knows. It's more of a break. First trip away with Rach. That's a bit nicer than my normal camping. Shit, I've forgotten the gin.